Back. Thanks for joining me on this yoga journey. We are now in a side canyon off of Aravaipa Canyon, this little horse camp canyon. And it's just been a lovely day exploring up here and all the small little pools of water that get formed as the water flows down these side canyons, creating these little tanahas. And Jenny's been having a good time with butterflies, and there's been some fun other wildlife. So really beautiful spot. And you know, I feel like this is a good spot for inspiration. And whenever you're inspired, then hey, you can jump in and do some yoga, right? So this is our spot today. No mat, so going to be making some modifications. As always, modifications depending on your body or your circumstances, whether you're doing yoga in the airport or you're doing yoga at the office or at home, doesn't matter. It's always going to be some logistical thing to work around, and that's what we've got today. So go ahead and we'll start standing. Find yourself in a mountain pose, feet rooted into the ground, crown over the head, in alignment through your spine. And big cleansing breath, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. And now begin getting into your Ujjayi breathing, in through the nose, slow and smooth, hold at the top, out through the nose. Wherever you are, let this slow, smooth breathing ground you into your practice, and we'll connect our breath to movement. Continuing our slow, smooth breathing, let's get started with a warm-up. So let's just do a little neck roll here to begin with. Drop your chin to your chest and then roll towards your left ear. And you can just come straight over or all the way back, depending on your feeling of your neck. Let's do 3 to the left. 3 to the right. All right, sweep your hands up for a tall mountain. Cactus your arms forward, cactus your arms, open up your chest, look up, tall mountain. Swan dive, forward fold. Take opposite elbow, opposite hand. Let your head be heavy. Deep bend to your legs. You release your hands, straighten your back slightly, halfway lift with a flat back. Lower down, forward fold. Roll back up, one vertebrae at a time. Sweep your hands all the way up, tall mountain. Continue up onto your toes. Balance. Okay, lower down your heels, cactus your arms. Tall mountain. All right, sweep your right hand back, look over your right shoulder for a twist. Tall mountain. Left hand back. Tall mountain. Cactus your arms. Tall mountain. Swan dive, forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Sweep your hands up. Tall mountain. Come up with your heel on your toes. Lower down. Cactus your arms. Tall mountain. Take your left wrist and your right hand for a side bend to the right. Side bend to the left. Sweep your hand back, look over your right shoulder. Mountain, left shoulder. Small mountain. Cactus. Swan dive, forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Set your hands down. Step back. A high plank. Hold a high plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Down on your knees. Tabletop. Extend right arm long, left leg back, one long line. Balance. Right elbow, left knee. 2 more. All right, now take your left foot, sweep it out to the side. Set your right hand down. And then left hand sweeps over your head. Now left elbow, left knee. One more. Back to a lunge position and then rotate onto your right hand for a side plank. Bump your hips. Rotate back. The plank. Drop your knees back down. Final balance. Right leg back. Left hand forward. All right, left elbow, right knee. Okay, set your left hand down to the side, bring your right foot out to the side, right hand over the top of your head, and then right elbow, left knee, or I said it wrong, right elbow, right knee. All right, sweep the leg back, leave your left hand on the ground, turn to a side plank. And a spot for my foot on the rock. Not really a good one right here. Okay, turn back into plank. Lift your knees to the ground. Sweep right hand up. Look up. Right hand, thread it through all the way down to your shoulder. Back up. Right hand back up, and then come back to tabletop. Left hand. Lift your knees off the ground. Hover. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press back into down dog. Walk that dog out. Let your head be heavy. Stretch your calves. All right. Step or float your feet towards your hands. A little dangerous on the rock. Forward fold. Tall mountain. Swan dive, forward fold. Halfway lift, monkey. Forward fold, or high plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. Take a breath. Walk your hands or feet forward. Forward fold. Tall mountain. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. Walk your feet forward. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Tall mountain. Chaturanga. One more. Walk your feet forward. Forward fold. Tall mountain. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chaturanga. All right. Should be getting warm, and we're going to start building into a flow here. So right leg up, three-legged dog. Step through, right knee through, and come to a crescent, or come to a lunge position. Lift up, crescent lunge. Sweep your left arm back. Warrior 2. Settled into your first warrior here. Reverse warrior. Triangle pose. Reverse triangle. We go right into half moon. Use a block. Use your chair for balance. Whatever suits you best. Then when you come out of half moon, you land in prayer squat. The star. Hands to heart center. Turn to the back of your mat. Put your right elbow on the outside of your left knee. Revolve lunge. Crescent. Push off. Airplane. Sweep it through. Staff. And if you want, take a bind here, and then twist. release, step back, crescent, low lunge, high plank, chaturanga, all right, same leg, right leg up, three-legged dog, low lunge, crescent, warrior two, reverse warrior, triangle, reverse triangle, half moon, prayer squat, star, revolved lunge, crescent, airplane, staff, balance, bind if you want, twist, crescent, little lunge, high plank, chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog. All right, let's take those poses on the left side. Left leg up, three-legged dog, low lunge, crescent, warrior two, reverse warrior, triangle, reverse triangle, half moon, prayer squat, star, revolve lunge, crescent, airplane, staff, twist, crescent, low lunge, high plank, chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog. Right, coming back around the mat. Left leg up, three-legged dog, low lunge, crescent, warrior two, reverse warrior, triangle, reverse triangle, half moon, Bear squat. Star. Revolved lunge. Crescent. Airplane. Staff. Woo. Do it again. Staff. Take your bind if you want. And twist. All right. Crescent lunge. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. All right. Come back around the mat. Three-legged dog. Low lunge. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Reverse triangle. Half moon. Prayer squat. Star. Revolve lunge. Airplane. Staff. Twist. Crescent lunge. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. All right, three-legged dog. Low lunge. Crescent lunge. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. Triangle. Reverse triangle. Half moon. Prayer squat. Star. Revolve lunge. Crescent. Airplane. Staff. Twist. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. All right. Take this flow one more time. We'll adapt it in a couple spots, so a couple changes. Three-legged dog. Step through. Low lunge. Crescent lunge. Warrior two. Reverse triangle. Squat. Okay. Rotate back. Bring both hands down. Standing splits. Leave your right hand on the ground. Revolve, reversed. That hand down. Bring right foot to meet left. Chair pose. Twist to chair. Tall mountain. Stand on just your right foot, the left foot. Bring your right foot. Tree pose. Come to the inner thigh, or your calf, your shin, whatever suits. Find stillness here, or you can find motion with your arms. A little more challenge. All right, right foot now to your left knee. Sit low. Standing pigeon. My pigeon got spooked. All right, sink a little lower. All right, staff. Then step way back. Crescent lunge. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. And downward dog. All right, right leg up, three-legged dog. Step through. Low lunge. Crescent lunge. Warrior two. Reverse warrior. And half moon. Prayer squat. Star. Evolve crescent lunge. Crescent. Airplane. On unlevel ground here. There we go. Airplane. And let's see. We changed it up. Oh, from airplane, open up. 4, crescent, moon. And now right hand comes down. Standing splits. Leave your right hand down, lift your left. Reverse. Now right foot meets left. Chair. Hands to heart center. Twist. Sweep your hands up, tall mountain. Tree pose. Stop. Step way back. Crescent. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. All right, one more time around. Left leg up. Low lunge. Crescent lunge. Warrior two. Reverse triangle. Half moon. I'm finding very uneven ground here. Half moon. Move on to your prayer squat if you're ahead of me. Star. Revolve lunge. Crescent. Airplane. Right. Well, from this airplane, open up to the side. Crescent moon. And then both hands to the ground. Standing splits. And then lift up your right. Okay, both feet come together. Chair. Hands to heart center. Twist. Tall mountain. Staff. Crescent. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. One more time, back around. Three-legged dog. Step through. Low lunge. Crescent lunge. Warrior two. Reverse triangle. Crescent moon. Squat. Star. Revolve lunge. Crescent. Airplane. Rotate. Half moon. Okay, bring that left hand down. Standing splits. And right hand up. Go to reverse. Okay. Bring left foot to meet right. Chair. Hands to heart center. Twist. Tall mountain. Tree. Staff. Squeeze it back. Crescent lunge. Low lunge. High plank. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. All right. We'll do a few core, maybe one hip opener. And then we'll be wrapping it up. So lower down on your knees. Knees not distance apart, toes to touch, press back. Extended child's pose. Switch your hands to the right for a stretch in your left side. Walk them to the left, stretch on your right side. Stretch them straight forward. All right. Roll over your ankles, come to a seat. Face this way. All right, knees bent, feet on the mat. Lower down one vertebrae at a time. All right. A few crunches, so chin to chest. Lift your shoulders off the mat. And then crunch till your lumbar is pressing into the mat. Squeeze. Lower down without touching your shoulders down. Back up. Squeeze. And again. Now you can do these as long as you like. Whatever is right for you. 3 might be enough. Maybe you do 30. Somewhere in between. I think I'm going to go for 10. That's, I don't know, 5 maybe. 6. 7. 8. Are you breathing? 9. One more for me. 10. Lower down. Hug your knees. Okay, bring your hands to your side and your knees at 90. And then extend your feet straight up to the sky. And do a couple leg lifts. So without touching down, lower your feet slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hover. And then back up. So slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hover. Back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And arms out to capital T. Lower to the left. Hover. Back up. Lower to the right. Back up. All right. Hug your knees in. Bring your feet back to the mat. And now let's go into boat pose. So just hands forward. Balancing on your tailbone there. Low boat. Boat. High boat. Boat. Low boat. Boat. High boat. Ooh. All right. Awesome. Let's get a little stretch to those abs and a little chest expansion. And some hips here too. So grasp your hands, interlace underneath your hips, roll up on your shoulder blades for a hip extension, and lift your hips and press them up. Squeeze at the top. Lower down, hover. Back up. Back down. Back up, squeeze at the top, maybe. Lift your right leg off the floor. Down. Left leg. Squeeze. Back down. Okay, release your hands. Okay, let's do a hip opener. We did standing pigeon, but this is reclined pigeon. So left foot over right knee, and then lift your right foot off the floor. You can grasp your thigh, your knee, your shin. You can use a strap, whatever works for your body. And I'd like to take a twist here in this pigeon pose, so let your feet fall to the right, to your left. Back to center, switch sides, right foot, left knee, spread your arms through. All right, and twist. Your knees fall to the side, look to your right. Back to center. All right, extend your legs long, let your feet fall open, let your hands fall open. Wiggle out your toes, your fingers. Do a mental check of your body, starting with your toes, working your way out. Releasing any tension there might be left. Take a cleansing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Return to your normal breathing and find Shavasana. Well, the sun's come out, and I think if I let myself, I could do a very long Shavasana right there. If you have time, please continue your Shavasana as long as you like. I do highly recommend it. But I have to make my way back to camp, so we're going to get underway. Thanks so much for joining us out on the trail here. This is a wonderful yoga journey we're all on, but as always, remember that this is your path, and you do it your way, and it is your journey. Namaste.